check the sun.
Kind of wanted to do a little fun version of a fun topic. We got pets today. Not pet peeves, because you guys are my pet peeves. So, but pets, like the good.
You're my pet peeve.
Thank you. So yes, we're pets. Our little lovable friends. Sometimes that leave us presents around the carpets, everywhere, here and there. The word for house pet, right?
Oh.
The word for pet that we have at home is kućni ljubimac.
What?
Yeah.
I like the English version better.
Yeah. Kućni ljubimac.
Okay, so the first word, kućni, right?
Kućni.
So the word for kuća is in there, right? That's our root. Kućni is like of the house. And ljubimac, what's that? Remember ljub? What's ljuba?
Love.
Love, right? Ljubimac. Ljubite is to kiss, right?
Oh.
So ljubav is love. Ljubite is to kiss. Ljubimac is kind of a play on that. Like a pet, like to give hugs and cuddles to and kisses to, right?
Oh.
Dogs, cats, and well, let's save that. The word for dog, Tony D. The word for dog is pas.
Pas.
Bravo. Pas.
Pas.
Very simple, right? The word for cat is mačka.
Mačka.
So growing up, I was under the impression that all dogs were male and all cats were female.
Makes sense.
Right? Because dogs are like rough and tumble and cats are like sweet, even though it's kind of the opposite sometimes. Cats can be pretty brutal, right? They can be ruthless. And dogs can be very cuddly and loving. Dog is pas, Tony D.
Pas.
And cat is a mačka.
Mačka.
Bravo. Did you guys ever have a dog or a cat?
Both.
Yeah.
Yes.
At the same time.
Whoa.
What?
In peace.
No, they never saw each other. The dog was outside, the cat was inside.
Interesting.
And my dad didn't like the cat.
Really?
Didn't do anything for him. He's like, that cat never brings me my slippers.
Oh.
That cat never barks at anybody who should be coming in our house.
That'd be a weird look. That'd be a weird cat.
That'd
be a weird cat.
Okay.
Barking cat.
But a valid argument.
Let's get a little bit more exotic. Thanks, Dad. Let's get a little bit more exotic on the pet levels. The word for bird, ptica.
Pizza.
Not pizza like pizza, but ptica.
With a T?
Yeah, pizza.
Pizza.
So it's spelled P-T-I-C-A, P-T-I-C-A, pizza. So like that P is kind of like it's like vermouth in a martini. You think about it, but it's not really there.
Okay. All right.
Pizza, right? So you're kind of like
Pizza.
implying it. You're thinking about saying it, but it's not pizza, right? You're not really overdoing it.
Oh.
Pizza.
So it's like a silent.
Almost silent, but like let's say it's on the tip of your lips, but you're not going to say pope. You know, when you do pope, you do like two pops. Pizza is kind of like a soft one. So pizza.
Pizza.
Yeah, so you can actually get around with now pronouncing the P.
Ah. Okay.
Legally, you'd be okay.
I won't get in trouble.
I'm not
Maybe.
going to say anything.
All right.
I'll get in trouble for teaching you the wrong way, but that's different. The word for bird is pizza.
Pizza.
Excellent. The word for fish.
Oh, I know this one. Go ahead. I don't want to ruin it.
Riba.
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 Excellent. So obviously we can eat some riba, or we could have one in our aquariums.
It sounds like ribs.
Super. Riba.
Rib.
Sounds like roba.
Oh, yeah.
Riba, roba. Roba, riba. Riba is fish.
Okay. Riba.
Right. So you can go shopping for riba to barbecue, or you can go shopping for a house pet. That's riba.
Or you can go fishing for one.
Can't be hugging riba too much. So growing up, I had a bird and I had a fish. So that was kind of thing that I had. Now we're getting into really up there with some wild pets. My friend Anthony K had a hamster.
Oh.
The word for hamster is hrčak.
Hrčak.
And I learned this by babysitting it. Don't feed hamsters popcorn.
Oh.
I learned the hard way. Hrčak.
Is it the same thing with getting water on their backs, like after midnight or something?
Yeah.
After
Because then they
midnight?
start to multiply.
That's what the multiply.
Oh, Lord. Okay. Ghoulies or gremlins?
Gremlins.
Got it.
Ghoulies.
That was an accidental rental. Accidental rental was Ghoulies instead of Gremlins, and it was a bad night.
You're like, where's Gizmo?
Hrčak.
Hrčak.
Bravo. Another cutie, sometimes delicious, rabbit. The word for rabbit is zec.
What?
Zec.
Zets.
Right, Z-E-C. Z-E-C. Zec.
Zets.
It's a very simple word, right?
Yeah.
Zec. So I actually had, in my backyard, saw last week a California cottontail, right? So big rabbit, big brown rabbit with a white guzica, white bushy tail. Zec.
Zets.
Bravo. So that can be a pet or it can be dinner.
Oh.
Now we're getting a little bit into the amphibian section. Did you guys ever have a hamster or a rabbit? Either of you?
Negative.
No.
Neither did I. Here we go. Let's get crazier. The word for turtle. The word for turtle is kornjača.
Kornjača.
Bravo. Kornjača.
Kornjača.
So that little armor plated guy.
How do you say ninja in?
Oh, jeez.
You like doing that to me, huh? Mm-hmm. Kornjača.
Kornjača.
You can be a corn ninja, but it's a kornjača.
Oh, Ninja Turtle.
Right. Kornjača.
Boom. Kornjača.
Rabbit. I mean turtle. Either of you guys?
Turtle no.
No.
Yeah.
Nothing too crazy.
My friend
like
Anthony
that.
had a turtle and a hamster, so that's he's the exotic
So
guy,
lucky.
right?
Yeah.
Last but not least, a little scary, little serpentine. The word for snake.
Ooh.
The word for snake is zmija.
Zmija.
So some people have boa constrictors or garden snakes. I mean, I've never had a snake. Have you guys? That's just not allowed in my house. Snakes, my mom would freak out. Remember in Indiana Jones when the snake came up and you can see the actual glass? Freaked her out. Snakes and rats. Anyway, snake is zmija,
Zmija.
right? Excellent. So a lot of pet words, a lot of personal information in there too, guys. But let's do some review. Let's do a nice quick review here. The word for house pet. The word for house pet is kućni ljubimac.
Kućni, ljubimac.
Bravo, Tony. The word for dog is pas.
Pas.
Favorite dog name? Fido. Pas.
Pas.
The word for cat, mačka.
Mačka.
Favorite cat name? Mitzi. Mačka.
Mačka.
I'll let you know. Word for bird, ptica.
Pizza.
No, pizza. Pizza.
Pizza. Pizza.
If you're saying pizza, you're saying like pizza. Pizza. But you're saying pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza. I'll let you know. The word for fish, riba.
Riba.
Super. The word for hamster, hrčak.
Hrčak.
I'll let you know. The word for rabbit, zec.
Zets.
Super. The word for turtle, kornjača.
Kornjača.
Yeah, that's a good one too, right? And the word for the snake, scary guy sometimes, zmija.
Zmija.
Super, Tony. That's our pet episode. Hope you all enjoyed it.
Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that like button.